So, and in today's video, I never say my name. That's funny. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful look. The eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be using are the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. Sorry, I couldn't talk right there. And the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Just a little exclaimer. I think mine is fake. I'm not sure. But it works good, so it's okay. So yeah, hopefully you guys can wear this. I know spring break is coming up, or I don't know if it's here already. I know you guys might have break or anything. I know my break is about to come. So if you guys ever go out or have a party to go to or anything, do this look. It'll look good. It'll look good. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep on watching. So to start off with, a lot of you may already know I use the Fenty Primer by Brianna to prime my face. So I'm just going to do that. And then I do my eyebrows, but I do that off camera because everybody does theirs differently. But if you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know. So I'm just going to skip that and move on to my eyes. So I prime my eyes with this Pro Concealer by LA Girls and Yellow Corrector. And I'm just going to blend that in using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. To set that in, I'm taking the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent, and this is just so that there's no patches and everything is really smooth and ready for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be mixing Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to be applying that to like right above my crease with my blending brush, F21 blending brush by Shani, and I'm just going to go back and forth, going to the inner eye corner to out. This next color I'm going to be applying using the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and I'm just going to put this on my crease, just blending the same way that you did with the previous color, but put this on your crease. Now we're taking this light brownish shade with my Real Techniques shading brush, and we're just going to put that on my outer corner and kind of blending to the crease, making like a crease, obviously, like I'm doing here. I'm starting to shape it out and give it some definition, and then go ahead and blend that out once you got the shape you'd like. Once you're satisfied with what it's looking like, you could go into Cypress Umber. I'm using the Equal Tools Accent Shadow, and beware, this is very, very pigmented, so a little goes a long way, but just go ahead and go over the light brown to dark it up and give it some more definition. Make sure the concentration is more toward the outer part of your eyes and then blend inwards. Then add a tiny bit to your inner eye corner because, like I said, you don't want it to be so dark in your inner eye corner, but more towards the outer part, and then blend this evenly so that there's no harsh lines because this is a very dark color. And I'm going into this metallic eyeshadow by BB or Bebe, whatever it's called, in 04, and just go ahead and put this in the center of your eyelid where we left blank, and just go ahead and distribute that over evenly. Now that we're kind of done with the eye look, I'm taking this Pro Concealer by LA Girls, the green one, for anywhere that I have red spots, so like all my pimples. And I've never done this before, so you guys are trying it out with me, and I'm just going to blend that in using my fingers. For my foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline and my BB Cream Fresh foundation, also by Maybelline. It's not foundation, whatever, but I mixed the two, and the outcome, you guys, I love it. It's like so smooth and like shiny. I don't know, I just love the way it looks, so I'm just gonna do that, and I blend it with my beauty blender. In the heat of the summer, Then I'm taking my Age Rewinder Concealer by Maybelline, and I realized I wasn't even recording when I put it on, so I just put this under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and like that mustache, upper lip, whatever that's called, area. And then go ahead and blend that out with your beauty blender or brush, whatever you like. Now before we go into any powders on our face, I'm going to contour with this cream contour stick by Hoola, and just go ahead and blend that in either using a beauty blender or a brush, whatever you're comfortable with. Once you're done with the wet ingredients, I act like we're baking or something, we're going to move into the dry ingredients. So we're going to be setting our concealer with the same translucent face powder. Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of... Now I'm going to contour with the Hoola Benefit contour thing. Make sure you blend this really well, and then I like getting whatever is left over on the cap from the translucent powder. I'm putting that right under my contour. The eyelashes I'm using today are the Eiffel lashes in number 702. I am in love with them. And then I'm going to be applying this blush. I don't know what the name of the palette is, but any blush is fine. Just putting that to the apples of my cheeks, blending upwards. And you guys, it is time for the freaking highlight. So I'm using the Carly Bible palette, and I never know which one to choose because they're all so beautiful. So I end up putting all of them. Then some final touches to my eye is just putting on some mascara on my bottom lashes. You could use any. This is the They're Real mascara, I think by Benefit. Here I'm taking off any makeup that is on my lips so that I have a clean surface, and then I'm just going to prep my lips with some chapstick. Anything you have is fine, but for the actual color I'm using is by this Melted Chocolate Too Faced lipstick. This is in Chocolate Milkshake, and I'm just gonna put this on my lips. I am in love with this color. I like always use it. And finally, I'm going to be setting my face with this Mario Badescu Rose Water, and you are done. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you aren't already, and click the little bell for the notifications so that every time I post a video you could look at it. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.
But all I know is that I really fuck with you.